Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. There are two angles labeled, and one of them is x. To solve for x, use the properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. The first thing to notice is this angle. This and this angle form alternate interior angles. And one of the properties of alternate interior angles is that they are congruent. So this is also angle x. And now angle x and 123 degrees are supplementary, as you can see they're right next to each other. So now we can solve an equation. 123 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. So we subtract 123 degrees from both sides of the equation. This gets rid of this 123 degrees, and solving for x, we get that x is equal to 57 degrees.